Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a crochet braid maintenance routine for you guys. I told you if you watched my original video on this hair, which if you have not, it is linked in the description box down below. If I remember, I will put it in the cards. This is the Bobbi Boss Brazilian Go-Go Curl, the 2X Brazilian Go-Go Curl in the color number 2. So if you have not seen the first review on this, definitely go in the description box down below and click that so you can see the first review on the hair. So this is going to be a maintenance routine for silky or crochet braid styles. I have not posted a maintenance routine in a good while, and it's really because I haven't been wearing silky or textured hairs. I do more like natural hair crochet braids, and those really don't require any maintenance really. A lot of the times I just put my scarf on and go to sleep and then kind of like fluff those out in the morning. I usually don't apply any product at all, but because this hair is a softer, more silky type texture, you're definitely going to need to maintain this more than you would like one of the natural texture crochet braids. So I wanted to go ahead and throw up this video for you guys today. So let's just go over the products that I used. So in this spray bottle, because this is what you're going to see me doing when I actually show you. So this is the aloe vera juice. You can get aloe vera juice. I've seen it at Walmart. I think you can order off Amazon, whatever. That's what's in this spray bottle. And then I have an oil, whatever oil you want to use, oil of your choice. This is the, I don't even know how to say the name of this company, but this is their green apple and aloe with coconut. It's apple seed oil. It has avocado, sweet almond, and bergamot oils in it. I picked this up from Walmart, and then I also used my faithful Cantu Shine and Hold Mist. So yeah, I always use this product. I've been using this product for years. You can get this from Walmart, $7, really cheap, great product. Love it for my crochet braids. So literally all I'm going to do is spray the aloe vera juice on my scalp to help moisturize it, seal that in with your oil, whatever oil you want to use, and then get your Shine and Hold Mist. Now, some people like to use mousse on their crochet braids. To me, mousse makes it sticky, and I don't like the texture of the hair after I've used mousse. I used to use mousse years ago when I first started wearing crochet, but when I started using this on it, I never went back to mousse, and this gives your hair an amazing smell. It smells like the tropics. It literally smells like vacation, summer. It smells so good. So I love to spray that on the hair, and this is what the hair looks like when it's done. So literally I did it, I took out the twist, and then this is how it looks. So super cute. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the maintenance portion. guys, so that was the maintenance portion of the video. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. This technique is really great if you are wearing any type of silky texture, looser curl pattern, crochet braids, any type of like water wave, ocean wave, loose deep, bohemian, Bahamas curl, all that is going to definitely go with this product really well. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. If you guys have any questions about the products that I used or anything else, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. And also be sure to shop my loungewear store at jofficial.com. I think that's pretty much it. Definitely leave a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.